Welcome to our second tutorial about the sweep command. Let's select the spline tool and create a profile. Something like this. Let's close our profile and click Return to exit our sketch. Now let's create another sketch. This one will be on the XZ plane. I'm going to activate the spline tool again and create another spline. Something like this. Right-click and create. Exit the sketch. Let's create one more spline before we sweep. It'll also be on the XZ plane. We'll do something like this. Okay, right-click, create, and we're ready to exit this sketch. Return. Now let's activate the sweep tool. The profile was pre-selected. For the path, let's select this sketch here. Now for type, we'll select Path and Guide Rail. For this sweep type, we have some additional parameters called profile scaling. For the guide rail, we do need to specify profile scaling. Profile scaling specifies how the swept section scales to meet the guide rail. And we're ready to click OK. And this concludes our second tutorial about the sweep tool.